the rivers rose without a warning. Within minutes, roads vanished, homes collapsed, and entire communities swallowed by torrents of mud and water. Deadly flash floods tear through India and Afghanistan, dozens dead, hundreds missing, and rescue teams racing against time. For many, the storm has already passed. The nightmare is only beginning. Rescue teams are combing through wreckage across South Asia after monsoon rains triggered flash floods and landslides that have claimed dozens of lives from Afghanistan to India. In eastern Afghanistan, the toll is grim. Officials say floods that tore through Nuristan province on July 20th killed at least 20 people, injured around 80 more, and left over 100 unaccounted for. Search crews are still working through the debris in Parun city, where homes, farmland, and public buildings bore the brunt of the deluge.
Yesterday afternoon, a severe flash flood struck Parun city. As a result, around 9 to 10 hotels were destroyed, causing extensive damage, as you can see. In addition, more than 100 of our fellow citizens lost their lives.
Afghanistan's meteorology department has since issued fresh warnings, forecasting heavy rain, dust storms, and further flooding across 10 provinces. It is a familiar and punishing pattern for a country where mud-built homes and fragile infrastructure leave little defense against sudden deluges. Just last year, more than 300 people died in similar spring floods.
We were sitting in our shop when the ground started shaking. At first, we thought it was an earthquake. Then we realized it wasn't an earthquake, it was the flood. People scattered in every direction, and everyone was trying to save their own lives.
The devastation has not stopped at the border. Days of relentless monsoon rain have battered northern and northeastern India, where officials say at least 25 people have died in floods and landslides since the weekend. In Indian-administered Kashmir, rain-triggered incidents across the Poonch, Rajouri and Doda districts killed 15 people, with several others still missing. Further east, in Nagaland, landslides buried homes and claimed 9 lives in the Mon district alone.
The flash floods that came on July 19th have brought us heavy losses. Our new tires, mechanical spare parts were swept away in the river. A drum filled with oil was damaged, and 5,000 to 6,000 cement bags have solidified after water seeped through the storage facility.
In Jammu, floodwaters swept through Rajouri, damaging property and forcing army personnel to rescue 11 people, including 5 children. Neighbouring Assam has not been spared either, with more than 57,000 people affected across 7 districts. Authorities have now suspended the Amarnath and Vaishno Devi pilgrimages, both of which draw hundreds of thousands of devotees each year, until routes are declared safe. India's Weather Office has warned that heavy rainfall could persist across Jammu and Kashmir for up to a week. For now, 2 nations are counting their losses as monsoon season tightens its grip across the region.